Hi everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on scholarship FAQs. In this workshop, I will guide you through the most commonly asked questions that students ask about scholarships. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the definition of what is a scholarship. A scholarship is a financial award for a student to help further their education and is not required to be repaid. Therefore, it is free money. Students who meet a specific scholarship criteria are able to apply for the award and are chosen based on criteria set. Some type of criteria set that may be included in a scholarship is academic merit, for example, GPA. Maybe there is a required GPA in order to apply for that scholarship. An essay, some scholarships will require you to submit an essay and they have a prompt for you of what you should write about. And of course, there are other requirements that there might be on the scholarship. Of course, that is why it is important to check out the application requirements. Now, what are the requirements to get a scholarship? The requirements of a scholarship are entirely up to the scholarship provider. Every scholarship's application requirements will be different. Scholarships are often limited by GPA, citizenship, gender, age, race, or field of study. Of course, these are just some examples. For example, GPA, maybe a scholarship may say you must have a 3.0 GPA in order to apply. For field of study, it could be maybe it is a business organization and they are awarding scholarships specifically for students who want to major in business. So that is some other type of scholarships that you may find out. Now, this is a question students ask when it comes to the application requirements. If the required GPA is 3.8 for the scholarship and I have a 3.7, should I still apply? The answer is, unfortunately, you cannot apply to the scholarship. If you don't meet the criteria exactly, you shouldn't apply. Scholarship offers typically receive thousands of applications, and most of these applications are going to be of students who do meet the application criteria. In this case, these students have a 3.8 GPA or above. Anyone who doesn't meet the requirements is typically disqualified. Therefore, if this student doesn't have a 3.8 GPA, they have a 3.7, therefore they will be automatically disqualified. How many scholarships can I apply for? The answer is as many as you are eligible for. There is no limit in terms of how many scholarships you should apply to. The more, the better. Scholarships are awarded independently, so applying for multiple does not decrease your chances. Scholarship organizations and scholarship applications are not going to know how many scholarships you apply to, so that is actually a good thing. You can be awarded more than one scholarship. Scholarships come from a variety of organizations. They can be nonprofits, they can be religious organizations, they can be the organization your parent/guardian works for, etc. And these organizations are not going to know if you have been awarded another scholarship or not. What are my chances of receiving a scholarship? It actually depends. You will have a higher chance when you apply to scholarships that are limited to students within the state, city, sport, or academic area. Just to give you an example, let's say there is a student who is interested in majoring in business in California, more specifically San Francisco. So this student will apply to scholarships for students who want to major in business in San Francisco, California. You will have a lesser chance when you apply to popular scholarships that have a wide range of students who are eligible. Some scholarships may not even have application requirements at all. Maybe you can apply to a scholarship by just a click of a button. So these are the most popular scholarships and the ones that receive more than thousands of applications. Keep in mind that you do have to create your own success by committing the time and effort necessary to stand out amongst the pool of applicants. Therefore, you want to make sure you are being academically successful, you're raising your GPA to apply for lots of scholarships as you can, and you're getting those grades, etc. What should I submit with my scholarship application? The most obvious thing you have to submit is your application form, either online or by paper. You may also be asked to provide the following: a transcript of your grades. You can usually ask for your transcript at your district office or at your school itself. Letter or letters of recommendation. Maybe some scholarship will require you to submit maybe 2, 3, or maybe just one letter of recommendation. an essay on a given topic. Some scholarships will require you to submit an essay, and they will provide you with a prompt on what should your essay be about. For some need-based scholarships, meaning that these scholarships depend on your financials, applicants may be required to submit a free application for federal student aid, also known as the FAFSA. The FAFSA is the application you submit to the colleges and universities so they can determine the financial aid you will receive. How do I tell if a scholarship is legitimate? Now, there might be some scammers out there who might be taking advantage of students who are interested in pursuing higher education. Now, they are said to be offering money to these students, but here are some tips to help you to make sure that you're not going to be involved in the scam. Follow 2 main rules to avoid nearly all scholarship scams. 1. Never pay to apply for a scholarship. Now, all scholarship applications are free. Beware of guaranteed scholarships or any unsolicited offer. Scholarship programs will never just offer you money out of the blue. So beware of this word when it says guaranteed scholarships. Don't apply for it because you may be part of a scam. Legitimate scholarship programs will also always have an email address and /or phone number to contact them. Now, if you have any questions, don't doubt to talk to a real person. They are always there to help you to answer the questions you have about that scholarship. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We'll also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Next, chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you would like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.